reason why we add butter is because when the butter cooks down, the milk solids start to caramelize, and it starts to add a really kind of a nutty, not a brown butter flavor, but just kind of nutty, this kind of nutty caramelized flavor into the roux. In my opinion, the 50-50 mix is the thing that kind of helps our roux stand out a little bit.
Okay. Well, I'd like to congratulate you on Bon Appetit's recent naming of Gumbo Social as one of the most anticipated restaurants opening in 2023. You must be excited about the opening. So tell me about that, because it's going to be opening in the Bayview, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, talk to me.
I told myself, there's a saying, if you can make it in New York, you can make it anywhere.
Okay.
You can make it in the Bayview.
Yeah.
You can make it anywhere.
Yeah. That's going to be awesome.